Hi everyone, I hope you're doing really well. I'm Corrin with Corrin Fox Fit, and today I'll be leading you through a quick 15-minute beginner cardio workout. This workout is awesome for if you're just getting into fitness or exercise in any way. It's also great if you want to just incorporate some movement into your day to break up your day. Either way, this class is awesome for you. We won't need any equipment for today's workout. All you'll need is just an area to move around in with a little space, preferably a yoga or exercise mat beneath you, and just have some water handy nearby. We have a total of 5 exercises. Each exercise will do for 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off, for a total of 3 full circuits. So let's go ahead and get started. Our first exercise will be walking in place. So you can option to walk in place if you want to. You might jog instead, pick up the pace a little bit. Whatever feels most comfortable for you. Get ready, get set, and go. Walk in place or jog. You can just swing those arms down by the sides. It's so important to get a little bit of movement every single day. It helps to strengthen our hearts, just strengthen our overall body. So good to move every day. When we move, we tend to feel better mentally and physically. Good job. Keep walking or jogging if you're jogging. You guys are doing awesome. We're almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Take a little rest here. 15 seconds rest. Next, we're going to head into jumping jacks. If it feels comfortable for you, you can do regular jumping jacks. But today, for our beginner cardio portion, and we're focused on the beginner aspect of that, we're going to just step it out side to side, low impact here. Get ready, get set, and go. So just step it out. Swing the arm up, step out to the side. We're still getting movement. We're still helping that heart rate go up, challenging our heart a little bit. Breathe through it. You guys are doing great. Keep going. Nice work. Keep moving. You guys are doing great. Woo. Awesome. Keep stepping it out. We're almost there. We have 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And rest. Good job, you guys. Take a few breaths. Next, we're doing modified butt kicks. So if that sounds funny to you, just watch me. We're just going to kick the heel back up to the bum as our modified butt kick here. If you want, you can take it up a notch and add a little jump. But again, it's a beginner cardio workout. Do what feels best for you. Get ready, get set, and go. So we're kicking the heel back towards the bum. Hands can be in front or maybe on the hips if that feels good. Nice job, you guys. Breathe as you move. It's a really important part of moving here. We want to move with our breath. So kick that heel up to the bum. Do the best you can. You got this. Good. 10 more seconds. Let's go. Nice. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. Take a couple deep breaths. Next, we have punches. So you're going to step the feet out a little wider than hip distance apart. Find a nice bend in the knees. And we're going to punch forward with making fists with our hands. Get ready to punch. 3, 2, and 1. Go. Punching forward. I like to think that we're punching out our anxiety or stress. Just getting rid of that here. Any anxiety or stress, punch it out. Let it go as you move. Good, you guys. Keep punching. Breathe. You guys are doing awesome. Yes, you guys, almost there. Keep going. Punch it out. Punch away any worry or stress. Good. 3, 2, and 1. Rest. Take a couple breaths. Next and last exercise are modified high knees. So we're going to place our hands to our hips and draw our knees up and in towards the chest. And if knees are sensitive here, don't worry about getting them high. Just take it as a high, like a march here. Getting those knees up just as high as it feels comfortable for your body. If you want to take it up a notch, you might add a little jump. But again, listen to your body. This is the beginner cardio. Go easy. All right, get ready, get set, and go. So knees high, or just as high as they can. Come. We're just stepping like we're marching in place here. And if you can, try to get that knee high, but make sure not to collapse your chest here. We want to stand up straight. We're marching in place, high knees here. Breathing. Good job. Nice. 10 more seconds. Let's go. We've got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rest, you guys. Grab some water if you'd like. 15 seconds rest. And then we're going to get right back into it, starting the second circuit, starting with our walking in place. You guys did great with that first circuit. I'm proud of you. Take a couple more breaths. Get ready to walk or jog in place. Ready? And go. Walk or jog in place. Really nice. Keep taking some deep breaths here, even as we move. Our rests aren't too long in between each exercise because we do want to challenge our heart and keep it up at a nice level heart rate. However, listen to your body. If you need to take longer rests, please do. You can pause this video, rest a little bit longer, and then unpause it when you're ready to get back into the exercise. Keep going. Good, you guys, almost there. 3, 2, and 1. Rest. All right, next we have our modified jumping jacks. Take a couple breaths and get ready for those modified jumping jacks. And we'll go into those jumping jacks. Ready, set, and go. Step out and in. Step out and in. Good. All it takes is just to move our bodies. We don't have to go intensely in every workout. And we might not be able to. Maybe you're working with injuries or having to be really careful for some sort of reason. You know, we all have to take care of ourselves. So do what you can with what you have. As long as you move a little bit every day, that's the way to keep yourself healthy. You got this. Good. 3, 2, and 1. Rest. 15 seconds rest here. Take a couple breaths. And then we're going into our modified butt kicks. You guys are doing great. I'm so proud of you. All right. Get ready. Get set and go. Modified butt kicks. So we're kicking the heels back up towards the bum. And of course, if you want to, you might take it up a notch, add a little hop in it, but No pressure, really. No judgment. Do what feels good and most comfortable for you. Good, you guys. Breathe through it. You guys got this. You are doing great. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And rest. Good. Take a few deep breaths. Next, we have our punches, our forward punches. So we're stepping with the feet a little wider than hip distance apart. Make sure to have a little bend in the knees. Get your fists ready. That invisible punching bag ready, set, and go. Punch your stress away. Punch your worry away, anxiety away. When we move, not only are we helping our physical body, strengthening it, we're helping our mental health, our mental fitness, creating happy chemicals in the brain that increases a positive mood. We all need that, right? Keep punching. Good job, you guys. Keep going. Breathing, moving. Maybe we're sweating a little bit. I know I am starting to. Good, you guys. Keep going. 3, 2, and 1. Rest. All right, last exercise. In this second circuit, we have our modified high knees. So remember, get those knees up as high as you can, kind of like a march. And if you want to, you might add a little hop. Only if you want to, no pressure. All right, you guys, get ready, get set, go. High knees. Step it out, knee to chest, knee towards the chest. Do what you can. Trying your best is all you can do. And that is enough. Good, you guys. Keep going. Good. Nice high knees. Keep it up. Woo, you're doing great. Almost there, you guys. Almost there. We've got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome job, you guys. Grab some water, little break, and then quick little break here. And then we're headed into our third and final circuit. Woo! Going one more time all the way through these beginner cardio exercises. So get ready to walk in place or jog in place. Get ready, get set, and go. Just walk it out or jog it out. And remember, if you need a little bit more of a rest break, that is no problem. Just pause this video, rest a little bit more, a little bit longer, and then restart the video when you're ready. Good, you guys. Keep walking. Pretend you're somewhere cool. You can close the eyes. Walking on the beach or in a forest. Almost there. Keep walking. Keep jogging in place. We have 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Really nice job, you guys. Take a little break. Next, we're headed into our modified jumping jacks. All right, get ready for those jumping jacks. 3, 2, and 1. Jumping jacks, modified, low impact. So these are supported for your knees. If you don't like jumping, you can always do these types of modified jumping jacks to still get movement in, but so it's not harsh on your knees, which is a joint that a lot of people have issues with, have to be careful with. Good, you guys. Almost there. You're doing great. Keep breathing through this. We've got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rest. Good. Few breaths here. And then we're moving on to our last round of modified butt kicks. So really try to get that heel up towards the bum. I was going to say the boom, the bum. All right, you guys, get ready, get set, and go. You got this. Breathe through it. We might be probably feeling warmer. Maybe you're sweating a little bit. That's all normal. That's all really good. Your body's adjusting to this movement. The more we move, the more the body builds endurance and stamina, so we can go longer. Good, you guys. You're doing great. Draw that heel up to the bum. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Take a few breaths, rest here. We're going into our last set of our punches. So get ready. Get your fists ready to punch. Good. 3, 2, and 1. Go into those punches. Forward, front punches. You got this. And again, punch away any anxiety, any stress, whatever you have going on today. You got this. You can conquer it. You've taken time for yourself, which is honestly the hardest thing to do sometimes. Showing up for yourself. And by doing this workout, you have showed up for yourself. I'm so proud of you. Keep going. Punch it out. Forward. Yes. Get ready. Almost there. 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Rest. Take a few breaths. We're almost done. You guys hang tight. We're in the home stretch here. We just have our modified high knees, which are next. So get ready. Last set of these high knees. Get set. And go. High knees. See if you can get that knee all the way to the chest without collapsing in the shoulders and in the back. Knee up. Kind of like a little march. You can swing the arms down by the sides or hands to hips. You're doing great, you guys. Breathe through it. Almost there. 10 more seconds. Keep going. You guys are strong. You got this. Almost there. 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Grab some water, you guys. Take some nice, deep breaths. I hope you enjoyed today's beginner cardio workout. Thank you so much for being here, and I'd love to hear your feedback. Write in the comments what you thought of this workout. Again, thank you so much. You guys rocked. I'm so proud of you for doing this workout, and I hope to see you very soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.